It is that time of year again. Hunting is a favorite pastime of many Americans, and wouldn't you know, it shares connections to ecology. In ecology, predation describes a biological interaction where a predator, an organism that is hunting, feeds on its prey, the organism that is attacked. It is not surprising that deer and humankind alike fall into what is a prey/predator relationship. Most of the time, emphasis on most, the deer are the prey and the humans are the predators. So how exactly does the prey and the predator stack up against one another? White-tailed deer. The female, called the doe in North America, usually weighs from 40 kilograms to 90 kilograms, or 88 pounds to 200 pounds. The North American male deer, also known as a buck, usually weighs 60 kilograms to 130 kilograms, or 130 pounds to 290 pounds. Advantages. Males have antlers, enough said. Some can run as fast as 75 kilometers per hour or 47 miles per hour. They can also make jumps 2.7 meters or 8.9 feet high and up to 10 meters or 33 feet in length. Their white tails serve as warning signals to other deer that they are in danger. Disadvantages. Deer have dichromatic, two-color vision with blue and yellow primaries, whereas humans have trichromatic vision. Thus deer poorly distinguish the oranges and reds that stand out so well to humans. Humans, in the United States of America, average height among U.S. men, 5 feet 10 inches, and women, 5 feet 4 inches. Average weight among U.S. men, 194 pounds, and women, 164 pounds. Disadvantages. A lone naked human is at a physical disadvantage to other comparable apex predators in areas such as speed, bone density, weight, and physical strength. Maximum human sprint speed is strikingly slower than that of many animals. Compared to other land animals, humans are exceptionally capable of endurance, but exceptionally incapable of great speed. An example would be this. The fastest human foot speed on record is 44.72 kilometers an hour or 27.79 miles per hour, seen in a 100-meter sprint by Usain Bolt. This is a time of about 9.5 seconds. Most of us run much slower than that. For example, I run the 100-meter dash in roughly 12 seconds. Very few humans can jump 5 feet, let alone 8 feet high. Humans also lack innate weaponry such as claws. Without crafted weapons, society, or cleverness, a lone human can easily be defeated by fit predatory animals such as wild dogs, big cats, bears, or a buck during the rut. Advantages. Humans are adept at making and using weapons and tools like snares, clubs, spears, fishing gear, firearms, boats, and motor vehicles. Humans even use other predatory species, such as dogs and falcons, in hunting and fishing. Humans are an apex predator, meaning they have no natural predator of their own, besides other humans. This generally doesn't count, because cannibalism doesn't occur often, unless you were a part of the Donner Party. As you can see, one-on-one, deer have little to fear, but when a determined human comes into possession of tools like guns or knowledge, he or she becomes one of the most adept predators on the planet, and a literal ecosystem changer. Now that we have discovered our dominance over deer, let's end with some talk on responsibility. Overpopulation is a good reason to hunt deer. Why? Because farmers can suffer economic damage by deer depredation of cash crops. Deer can prevent successful reforestation following logging and have severe impacts on native plants and animals in parks and natural areas. Overpopulation forces deer to wander into suburban and urban habitats that are less than ideal for the species to be in, which causes more motor vehicle accidents, harming deer and people. On the other hand, conservation efforts are not to be ignored. In 1925 there were an estimated 400 deer in Missouri. That is it. Lack of sufficient deer populations can cause predators to prey on animals and livestock they normally wouldn't prey on. This can lead to reduced populations of other species and the overabundance of plant populations that were originally suppressed by the deer. Humans have a bad history of decimating animal populations far quicker than nature would on its own. So keep all of this in mind while you exercise your right to be a predator during this year's hunting season. Follow the local laws. They are there for a reason.